In this video, let's learn how to import a Visium HD dataset. First of all, you need to open a project where you will import the data. If you haven't created any projects before, click New Project to start one. Here's the project where I wanted to import the data. Click the project and click Open Data to land on its data page. You should then select New Data to enter the Data Import panel. Here you'll find Visium HD among the options. It is recommended that you read the little instructions in each data type to understand what formats are supported. For Visium HD, you should import data of either 8 micron or 16 micron squares. For higher resolution such as 2 micron squares, it may cause some lagging. Click Visium HD to proceed. Here you should type the name of the dataset and select the species. Click Add Batch and select the data format that you have. Let's try H5 for this example. Once you select a format, the platform will require you to input the name of the batch. This is helpful when you import multiple batches or tissue slides. The name of the batch will be assigned to each data point coming from that batch, so you can distinguish them later on. In this case, we only submit one Visium HD slide, so the batch name doesn't really matter. You can type in anything here, like batch 1. Click H5 and select your H5 file. As I mentioned earlier, it is recommended to import the data at 8 micron resolution. Open your Square 8 micron folder, and select the filtered H5 matrix. At Spatial Folder Compress, you'll need to submit a zipped spatial folder containing the images and tissue positions. You often find that folder in the standard output of 10x Genomics. Just zip it up and import. Click Next and Submit. You can check the progress at the notifications at the top left corner. Once it shows the success icon, click the notification to be directed to the data. Here's the raw dataset that we've just submitted. Click it and select QC and preprocess. Here you can find some QC plots and change the QC thresholds. Or you can select every cell to skip the QC process and keep all the data. Click Next. Here you can edit additional parameters, but we won't go deeply into it in this tutorial. Click Finish. The QC and process step will take quite some time since Visium HD tends to be very large. Wait for it to show the success icon. Then click it once it is done. Here's the final data and results after QC and preprocessing. Click it and select Open. You'll land on the UMAP by default. Click the spatial icon here to switch to a spatial view where data points are organized based on their spatial positions. Go to Select Image to show an image underneath the data points. You can adjust the point size and the point opacity to your choice. And that's how you can easily import a Visium HD dataset. Don't forget to check out other tutorial videos to learn more about the platform.